Hello?
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 Hi, yeah. Someone used my credit card to order something using this telephone number.
I don't know what you're talking about because nobody uses my phone.
What's going on? How do you have my credit card information?
I don't know who you are. No, nobody uses my
Don't
phone.
interrupt me.
Don't call my phone and mess with me.
You ordered stuff from Amazon.com using my money.
No, I did not. What are you talking about, sir?
Look, cancel the order and I'm not pressing charges.
I don't know what you're talking about.
You've been caught. Why are you trying to fight this? I'll be calling my lawyer if you don't cancel that order.
I don't know what you're talking about. I ain't used this phone to order nothing.
You really want to mess with me? Huh? Do ya?
I just not got this phone number. I ain't had this phone number a week yet. I don't know what you're talking about.
Stop stealing my damn hard-earned money! I am not kidding!
I don't know what the
You don't know who you're messing with! I ain't